Phonics friends, and thank you for joining me today. Are you ready to learn a new sound? Let's get started. Today we're going to be learning the Z sound. The Z sound is a digraph or special friends because two letter Z's together make the Z sound. Now you might be thinking, oh, I've heard the Z sound before. And that's because one letter Z also makes a Z sound. Z, 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 Z. But today we're going to be focusing on this Z sound. Now when I do this, it's my turn, and when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. Z, Z, Z. Excellent, well done. Now we're going to have a little look in my magic box to see what we can find that uses the Z sound. Ooh, what's this? It's a buzzer. Can you hear the Z sound in the middle of buzzer? Buzzer, buzzer. Well done. Let's see what else we can find that uses the Z sound. Ooh, I've got some puzzle pieces. Can you hear the Z sound in the middle of puzzle? Puzzle, puzzle. Well done. Let's see what else we can find that uses the Z sound. Ooh, I found a bird, and this bird is called a buzzard. Can you hear the Z sound in the middle of buzzard? Buzzard, buzzard. Excellent. So, buzzard, puzzle, and buzzer all use the Z sound. Now, we're going to have a little go at writing the Z sound. To write the Z sound, we need to write two letter Zs. And to do that, we start at the top, back, down at an angle, back again, start at the top, back, down at an angle, back again. Now I want you joining in, so give your magic fingers a big stretch, give your shoulders a big roll so we're ready for writing, and you can use your other hand as a magic piece of paper to write on. Magic fingers ready, and start at the top, back, down at an angle, back, start at the top, back, down at an angle and back. Well done. Let's do that one more time. Magic fingers. Start at the top, back, down at an angle, back. Start at the top, back, down at an angle and back. Well done. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words that use the Z sound. Our first word today is jazz. My turn first. J-A-Z. Jazz. Your turn. Jazz. My turn again. J-A-Z. Jazz. Your turn. Jazz. Excellent. Our next word is buzz. My turn first. B-A-Z. Buzz. Your turn. Buzz. My turn again. B-A-Z. Buzz. Your turn. Buzz. Well done. And our last word today is fizz. My turn first. F-I-Z. Fizz. Your turn. Fizz. My turn again. is. Fizz. Your turn. Fizz. Well done. You've worked really hard today and should feel so proud of yourself. I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye!